Now we've got some brilliant storage for you for the garden. This is on wheels as well, and it's stackable. Each one of these is 160 litres, so we can get a lot in here. Let's just pop that to one side. Let's open this one. If you've got tools, for example, that you need to store away, maybe in the garage or the shed, this is perfect for you because you can fit a lot in here. We've got a bucket. We've also got some faux hanging baskets, some hanging baskets ready to go for next year maybe. So we'll put those to one side. Oh, there's another one of those, which is fabulous. Maybe you've got something to do a little bit of spraying with. That can be stored away nice and safely. Gathering up the weeds, or maybe just simply raking the garden, that's in there as well, along with the handles. Something for trimming the grass, that's in there as well. You can fit a lot in here. Your spade and your fork, look at that. Somewhere safe to keep those stored away as well. What else have we got in here? We've got a hose, so you can fit that in there. It's never ending, isn't it? We've also got your shears. They're nice and safe away from little ones' hands. And we've also got the handle to our rake. So all of that in one box. And you've got wheels underneath that you can see just there. So you can quite easily pull that in and out. So let's have a look at what we've got in this one. Let's move that to one side and just pop that in there. There you go. Nice and robust, these lids. Remember, they're stackable. So let's just open this. My goodness. Right, what do you do with the cushions when it's raining? You need to get them away. So this is going to be perfect. We've got some seat cushions here. So we might just be using those occasionally. Let's pop those in there. We have got 4 of the larger cushions in there. There's more though, because you might have some nice pillows that you want to keep nice and fresh. They can get stored in there. Look at this, we've got 2 more in there as well. We'll pop those there and that on there. There's more. A lot of you use rugs for the garden now. Perfect, so you can put your mats in there as well. If you're going to the beach or if you're going camping, these are going to be excellent. 2 more cushions, nice and bright in there. So imagine going camping and you've got the wheels on there and they're stackable as well. They're going to be absolutely perfect for you. But you know what? We've got some more storage for you. So come with me, come on. I've got some more storage for you here for the garden. Now, if you are a keen gardener, maybe you're an allotment owner like myself, your 0.75 litre is perfect for you because you can store all your seedlings in here and all your seeds ready to go. And what's nice about that is you can put them in a bag and take them down the allotment or plant them in your garden. How about a little bit larger? This is your 1.75 litre storage. So again, you can store your seeds in there, maybe some booklets as well to help you with any information, but you can see just how many seed packets I've got in there. That's quite a lot. Oh, and in there as well, it might be that you've got your bee bombs and your seeds for your flowers, so they all stay in the same place. They're stackable and see-through as well, so it makes them really, really easy to reach up and grab when you need them. So that's your 1.75 litre. Then we've got something with a little bit more depth. This shows you how these stack upon each other. Now you might have cable ties for the garden. Maybe you're growing peas, or maybe you're growing your climbing plants in your garden. You can put your netting in here and you can also put your pegs as well. Really important to keep those together, especially when you're trying to cover something up to protect it. So it just means you know exactly what's in there. You can see that through the side because it's see-through. So let's put the top back on, a little bit of extra room in the lid as well. And they stack conveniently on top of one another. So that's going to be absolutely perfect on the shelves in your garage or your shed, or even in your home, your utility or something like that. Now let's move on to some really handy storage. These have got wheels on, but they're also stackable as well. So this means that if you need to pull this out from underneath the surface in your shed, maybe you've got a low-lying shelf, these are going to be perfect for that. Let's lift this off and just show you how these move. So you've got the wheels on there, so it goes back and forth, but you've also got the fact that you can stack these on top of each other. You've got the handle at the front to pull it, but also the handle for the lids. Let's take the first one off. Now it might be you want some lighting in the garden, but you want to store it away over the winter months because you don't want it rusting. They will fit perfectly in there, depending on the size, of course. It might be that you're going away on holiday and you need to water your plants, but you can't get anyone to water them for you. That's what these are. So you fill them with water and they can water your plants up, but it means that they fit in there really nicely with that long spout. You can also put more seed seed packets in there, and you can have these standing up as well. It means they're moisture free, really important with your seedlings. But what's great about that is that you put the lid back on, it keeps it nice and secure, and you've got the wheels on there as well. Let's have a look at what we've got in this one. I've already opened the handle at the back, so let's lift that off nicely. Great. Now, when you're down the allotment and you've got your tools, this is so beneficial just to pull this along to the area that you need to do the digging, or maybe it's in your garden. These will work really well on grass as well. This has got your smaller tools in, which is great. So your handles there for your little spades. Isn't that cute? Ever seen one like that? But it fits in there. And then you've got your other tools as well. Gardening gloves, really important. We've got gardening gloves in there as well, and again, because it's see-through, we can see that we've got a little bit of netting in, so that is just perfect for taking down your allotment, or maybe just down the end of the garden with the addition of the wheels and the handle as well. Now we've got a larger one of these, so let's go over to this one. This is larger, this is 64 litre. It might be that you have larger items, it might be that you just have more items and you want one box. This holds a lot. Let's have a look. Your seedling trays, they're in there, which is perfect. Your individual seedling trays, they're in there, and your plastic plant pots as well, they fit in there very nicely. It just keeps them nice and clean, away from any debris. There's quite a lot in there because of course you can stack these up. Inside here as well, believe it or not, there's a hose. Look at that, depending on the size of the hose, but again, with your 64 litre storage, you can store a lot in there. So you can store your hose away, ready to go for the summer months. String, do you know where yours is at home? I don't, but because it's in here, all we've got to do is lean in and grab that string out. So that is in your storage as well. This is on wheels, it's got the handle at the front. So again, the more items that you store in here, it's absolutely fine because you can just drag that along your grass or down the paths of your allotment. Really handy for your sheds. That's your 64 litre, really useful box.